Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to balance NH2CH2COOH plus CO2 equals CO2 plus N2 plus H2O, glycine plus oxygen gas. Correct answer is the balanced chemical equation for the reaction between glycine NH2CH2COOH and oxygen gas O2 to form carbon dioxide, CO2, nitrogen gas N2 and water H2O is 4NH2CH2COOH plus 5O2 for CO2 plus 4N2 plus 6H2O.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.